So we are provided with a minus b equal to 4, a plus b equal to 6. And we have to calculate a square plus b square and ab. Okay, this we have to calculate. Okay, for example, so which identity you can use? Anyone in class? A square plus b square, both we have to calculate. Okay, if I use this identity, a plus b I'm writing first. A plus b the whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab. If I use this identity, a plus b I can put here 6, but a square plus b square I don't have. As well ab I don't have. So either of them I can't calculate using this single identity. Okay. And see equation a plus b is given, a minus b is also given. Okay. So if I write the second identity, a minus b the whole square, a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now see here, both are having the same signs, but it is having opposite signs, plus and minus. Okay. If we add these two equations, what we are going to get?
4ab.
We are adding them. So it will be on the left hand side, we are getting a plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square. Have you understood this one? We are adding these two equations. Equation first and second, or we can say these two identities we are adding. A plus b the whole square plus a minus b the whole square. How much we are getting? A square plus a square, 2a square plus 2b square. And these, they get cancelled. Plus 2ab minus 2ab, 0. And how much it is? 2 into a square plus b square. Now can we calculate value of a square plus b square? Once we are adding them, okay, a plus b the whole square, how much? 36 plus 16. How much? 52. 52 divided by 2, 26. Have you understood this one now? Or if we subtract them, as we subtract them, a plus b, second we are subtracting from first one, minus a minus b the whole square. What we are going to get? A square minus a square 0, b square minus b square 0, plus 2ab minus minus 2ab. So plus 2ab plus 2ab, 4ab. Okay, ab we can calculate. A plus b is 36 minus 16 equal to 4ab. How much we are going to get? 0. Okay, 20. 4ab. ab equal to 5. Is this the answer?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood? Understood now? Okay.
Sir, but
So
why
such.
we?
Okay, why we use this? Okay. Okay. Can you solve using first identity?
Yes, sir.
So always start from the initial, from the basic. Can we use this identity? Yes. But here only a plus b is given. This is not given. This is not given as well. Okay. Now can we go with the second identity? Okay.
Yes,
And
sir.
moreover, in question you can see a plus b equal to 6, a minus b equal to 4 is given. It means a plus b 6 we are going to use somewhere, and most probably we are going to use a minus b as well. It means both identities we are going to use. We can get a hint from the question as well that a plus b equal to 6, a minus b equal to 4. It means both the identities we are going to use. We can get a hint from that. Now, as we have written these two identities, we cannot get the value of both from the first equation. Only one equation and two unknowns are there. We can't get from one equation. We need two equations to solve two unknowns, a square plus b square and ab. And we can get from here one equation from here. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Any more doubts you have? Anyone in class? Okay, fourth E we are doing. Okay, keep doing the questions. 4-3. So see here, one more thing we can do in examination. For example, if you get the hint from the question, it's well and good. You can do. If you are not able to figure out, start from the initial. Can we go with the square, second square, or we can add them, subtract them, or we can go with the third, that is most loved identity. Okay, we can keep checking, and we can move to the question, which will be perfect for the question as per the question. Okay, and more you practice, more you will be very precise to use which identity you have to use. Okay, so it's all about practice. We are in fourth chapter, fourth A. So first question we have solved. You all have solved first one. It's simple multiplication.
Yes, sir.
Second question, first one.
Second question, first one has solved.
Okay, second.
Yes,
Do the
please
second one.
given as homework.
Okay, so here what identity we have used? We can write a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab equal to a cube plus b cube. Okay, see here a plus b, a cube plus b cube, and minus ab, and we have multiplied them. We opened the bracket and we have seen a cube plus b cube is coming. So you can remember it like this, or you can remember a cube plus b cube equal to a plus b, a square plus b square minus ab. Okay. Second equation, if I'm writing a minus b, a square, these are identities, plus ab, a cube minus b cube. Okay. Understood? A cube plus b cube, here will be minus ab. A plus b, a minus b, minus sign. Here it will be plus. And these are AB only, not 2AB, AB only, okay? These are clear? So applying the second equation, find what will be the A. So for second, which equation we are going to use? First or second?
Second.
Second, okay. So here A will be 3x, yes or no? It is 3x, it is 5 upon x, 5 upon x, okay? 9x square, 25 upon x square, and here it will be 15. So what you're going to get? A cube minus b cube, 3x the whole cube minus 5 upon x the whole cube. So how much? 27x cube minus 125, 525 x cube. This answer you will be getting. Okay, solve the third one as well. Everyone solve the third one. Abdul. Abdul is not getting admitted today. Okay, solve the third one as well. Third one as well you can solve. Okay. Okay. Question number third. How you're going to do? Read the question number third once. Okay, read the question number third. Okay. So in second question, these two identities we are going to use. A plus b into a square plus b square minus ab equal to a cube plus b cube. And these two identities. Okay. Third one, how you are going to solve? We have to use a suitable identity. So what you are going to rewrite it as 104 the whole cube.
100
plus
100
plus 4. Okay, 100 plus 4 cube. 100 plus 4 the whole cube. Okay. Okay, a plus b the whole cube. What's the answer?
A cube plus B cube plus 3AB
plus 3AB into A plus.
Write it. Yes, good. So a cube plus b cube plus 3ab a plus b. Put it here. So 100 cube plus 4 cube plus 3 into 100 into 4. A plus b, 104. Okay, now further you can solve. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2. 64 plus 104. Have you solved all?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, second one, how you're going to do 97? It will be
100
100
minus 3 whole cube.
minus 3 the whole cube. Okay, do it as homework. Okay, do it as homework. Okay, fourth one is there. Okay, so before that we have learned some other identity as well. Okay, we'll discuss that one once again. Okay. Okay, see here with two variables, a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab equal to a cube plus b cube. This we have learned with three variables, with two variables, a plus b into a square plus b square minus ab equal to a cube plus b cube. Or reverse we can learn. It's okay. Now if there are three variables, okay, if there are three variables, so instead of a plus b, we have to write a plus b plus c. If three variables are there, a plus b plus c. Okay. Now second, it will be a square plus b square plus c square. Okay. Minus ab. So three terms will be here again. Minus ab, minus bc, minus ca, or I can write ac. Understood this one? So if you remember this one, you can derive this one. Okay, a plus b plus c, a square plus b square. Here three terms: a square plus b square, c square plus c square. Minus ab, minus bc, minus ac. Okay, and this side cube of all three. Okay. Now see here, there will be one more term. Minus, see here, a cube, a into a, b into b into b, c into c into c. 3a, b, c. Okay. So never forget this one. In three terms, whenever three terms, this is going to come. Okay. Understood this one? If you remember this identity, you can easily predict this one and you can rewrite a plus b plus c, a square plus b square plus c square, minus ab minus bc minus ac, a cube plus b cube plus c cube, third term, and minus 3abc. Don't forget this one. Okay, always remember this one, that minus 3abc is there as well. Okay, this is clear. So we are going to make use of, okay, fourth one, leave it for time being. Okay, fourth one, leave it for time being. We do some questions over them using this attitude, then we'll go with the fourth one. Okay. Okay, fifth one. See the question. What is being given? 0.8 and 0.5. So it is given 0.8 into 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.5 into 0.5 into 0.5. Okay,
Plus
plus is there, okay. Plus, okay, divided by 0.8 is, okay, this one, this identity is given only. Okay, fourth one is different. Fourth one, leave it for time being. Okay, divided by 0.8 into 0.8 minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 into 0.5. Okay, which identity we are going to use from these two? Which identity, first one or second one? See here, what is this? 0.8 cube plus 0.5 cube. How many we can say these variables? 0.8 square minus 0.8 into 0.5 plus 0.5 square. Okay. Which identity have more similarity? This is A, this is B. So only two variables. First identity, can we use the first identity? A 0.8 cube plus 0.5 cube divided by 0.8 square plus 0.5 square minus AB. Is this identity, can we rewrite it as A cube plus B cube divided by A square plus B square. B square, I'm taking this one first, minus AB. Is it like this?
Yes, sir.
Can you, everyone can notice this one? Figure it out.
No, sir.
Question is given something like this only. Okay. So what will be the value of A cube plus B cube divided by A square plus B square minus AB? What will be the value? Okay, forget about this equation for time being. Okay, what will be the value of, if I A cube divided by A square plus B square minus AB? What will be remaining on this side?
A plus B.
A plus B. This is equal to A plus B. We can write like this. Okay. Now what will be the answer of this one?
1.3.
0.8. 1.3. Have you got? 0.8 plus 0.5. 1.3. Have you understood this one?
Sir, why we have written there A plus B?
Okay. Why we have written this one? Okay, what is the equation? I use blue now for time being. Okay. What was the equation? A plus B into A square plus B square minus AB. This equal to A cube plus B cube. This you all know? We all know. Okay. Now if I take this on right hand side, it will become A plus B equal to A cube plus B cube divided by A square plus B square minus AB. Yes or no? So which form is it? A cube 0.8 cube plus 0.5 cube, 0.8 square, 0.8 square, 0.5 square, 0.5 square, 0.8 into 0.5, 0.8 into 0.5. So what will be its value equal to? A plus B. A is here 0.8, B is here 0.5. So its whole answer is 1.3. Its whole answer is 1.3. Have you understood this one?
Yes, sir.
Have you understood? Okay. Okay, do the second one, everyone. You try to figure it out. Okay. Okay. How you are going to mold the equation? So first try out which kind of form it is. Okay. So 1.2. 1.2 into 1.2 plus 1.2 into 0.3 plus 0.3 into 0.3. Something like this is here. Yes. Okay. Okay. So how you are going to rewrite this one? Okay. First we rewrite. We do not know. For example, 1.2 square plus 1.2 into 0.3. Okay. Keep doing in your notebook. 0.3 without copying from the board. Okay. 1.2 whole cube minus 0.3 the cube. Okay. Can you figure it out? If I put a equal to 1.2, b equal to 0.3. Okay. So it can be a square plus ab plus b square. Now we are not required to use this, put this one. I'm just for comparison purpose, I'm putting here. Okay. A cube minus b cube. Okay. So here which equation? Here which equation we are going to use? Because we are having a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube, here it will be a minus b. And here plus. They are having the same sign. So its answer will be how much? What will be the result?
A minus B. That is 1.2 minus 0.3.
1.2 minus 0.3. Point
09.
around 1.2, yes, 0.9. 0.9. Have you understood this one? Everyone, have you understood? Okay. Just go through once. Again, fifth, first, and second. Okay. Go through it once. Go through it once. Go through these two questions once again. Have anyone have doubt here? Okay. Fourth question we'll be doing at last. Okay. Fourth question we'll be doing at last. Okay. This is clear to everyone? Okay. Read sixth question. Go for sixth question.
Sir.
Yes, yes.
Sir, backside the answer of this question is something apart from this.
Okay, 1 minute. Okay. What will be the answer? Check it once again. Check it once again. It's not a minus b, something different. See here. What we have got this in the form of this divided by this. Okay. Now we have to take this on this side. So a minus b into a square plus b square plus ab divided by a cube minus b cube. This is equal to 1. Take this on this side. A square plus b square plus ab divided by a cube minus b cube. This is equal to 1 upon a minus b. Okay, we made the mistake here. Okay. Have you understood now? Because if we write a minus b, then a cube minus b cube will multiply that. A minus b is mainly multiply this one, so it will come in denominator. Understood now? So 1 upon
Yes, sir.
a minus b, this will come. Understood now this one? Okay.
Yes, sir.
So now it will be 1 upon 0.9 or 10 upon 9. 1 upon 9. Is this the answer?
Yes, sir. This is the answer.
Clear to everyone? Okay. Then sixth question, read sixth question. Read sixth question. Okay. Read sixth question. So fourth question we'll be doing at last. Okay. So in this question it is given a minus 2b plus 3c. A minus 2b plus 3c. This equal to 0. And we have to calculate a cube. Okay, if I write here, a cube minus 8b cube plus 27c cube. Its value we have to calculate. Okay, its value we have to calculate. Okay, so are you able to get any idea?
Sir, a minus 2b plus c is the whole square.
Okay, if we do the whole
Whole
square.
cube, sorry, sir. Whole cube.
Okay.
And
we
so
do the
when
whole-
We have to use a cube plus b cube plus c cube is
Okay,
equals to
have we
3ab.
studied something like this? A plus b plus c the whole cube. Have we studied something like this? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Really? Okay, we have studied a plus b the whole cube. We have studied a plus b plus c the whole square, I think. Cube, it will be very huge. Okay, see the question again. A minus 2b plus 3c equal to 0. Okay.
So we have to use a cube plus b cube plus c cube is equals to 3abc.
Here just see here. Can you predict now? If a instead of a we write a, instead of b we write minus 2b, instead of c we write 3c, and this equal to 0. It means this whole thing equal to 0. If this is 0, 0 multiplied with anything, what we are going to get on left hand side? Whole equal to this whole product. How much it will be?
sir, it's very easy, sir. Sir, see.
Yes,
A
as
cube,
it's
B
fine,
cube.
it's fine. I'll let others do. Okay. This equal to 0. Okay. 1 minute. Okay, see the question once. Okay. It is given a minus 2b plus 3c equal to 0. This is provided. What you have to calculate? A cube, b cube, c cube. This you have to calculate. That is 3c cube minus 2b cube and a cube. Okay. This you have to calculate. And it means we have to calculate the value of this one. Yes or no? Its value we have to calculate. Its value we have to calculate. Okay, to calculate its value, we must have its value, and its value. Okay, what is given? A minus 2b plus 3c equal to 0. It means the sum is 0. If we put here, instead of a, we put a, instead of b, minus 2b, and instead of c, 3c. This whole thing is 0. It is given. 0 multiplied by anything is 0. So this whole thing will be 0. What we are going to get, this equation will be reduced to, this whole thing will be 0. Only this minus 3 ABC equal to 0. Okay. Understood this one? So 0 equal to a cube minus 8b cube plus 27c cube minus 3abc. 3 into a into minus 2b into 3c. This you are going to get? Yes or no? because this thing is 0. That is a minus 2b plus 3c is 0. Because of 0, this will be 0. Multiply with 0, 0. And this equal to 3abc. Okay. So a cube minus 8b cube plus 27c cube equal to 3 into a into minus 2b into 3c. Multiply them. How much you are getting? Minus sign will be there. 3 to just 6, 6 is 18 ABC. Have you got this one?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Have you understood it now? So what is being given? This is given. It means this whole thing will be 0. 0 multiplied with anything is 0. So this equal to 3ABC. And we have multiplied. Understood? Okay, seventh one try. Seventh one try. Seventh one. Sixth one is clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay, time is okay. I will take only 1 minute.
Sir, done.
Done, good. So seventh one, see here. Seventh one, how it is given? X plus 5y equal to 10. X plus 5y equal to 10. Okay. I'm leaving some space. Then I'm writing x cube plus 125y cube plus 150xy. Okay. 150xy minus 1000. This is given. Okay. This is being given. X cube, 5 cube, 125y cube. 10 cube, 1000 with minus sign is given. Okay. And 150xy is given. Okay. So I can rewrite it as x plus 5y minus 10 equal to 0. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, see here, x, a equal to x, b equal to 5y, c equal to minus 10. Okay. It means this will be 0, this whole thing will be 0. Okay. See here, right hand side, a cube, x cube, b cube, it is x cube, it is 5y, the whole cube, plus, okay, forget about this for time being, minus 10 cube. Okay, here it is plus minus 10 cube, that is c equal to minus 10. C equal to minus 10 the whole cube. Okay, we are getting this one. Okay, what about this one? It is 3abc. Minus 3abc it is. So 3, a is how much? X. B is how much? 5y. C is how much? Minus 10. Okay. And here we used to have the minus. Minus will become plus. Have you got something now? Okay. Okay, try to figure it out and do it yourself. Okay. We'll see you tomorrow, 7th. Okay. This is clear?
Yes, sir.
This is clear? Try 7th one. Okay. Fourth one we'll try afterwards. Okay. Abrar, mute yourself.
Sir, when will our summer vacation begin?
Holidays, you will get information from the school. And Eid is there as well, I think, tomorrow. So tomorrow may be holiday.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Rest you will get the information from the school when the school is going.
Tomorrow's holiday.
Tomorrow may be holiday, as if you don't get this, depends on this information from the school. Okay. So check your WhatsApp if you get the information. Okay. Okay. So 7th one, try yourself. Okay. 4th one we'll do afterwards. It is based on this only. Okay. And a little bit more like, okay, we'll discuss that one. So after completion of this chapter, we'll move to 4th question. Okay. 4th question we'll do at last. Okay, I end the class here. Thank you. Thank you all. 7th one, you try it out. Okay. Take your time and try it out. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.